Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a simple but cinematic text reveal intro using CapCut. This is a great effect to start your video with a professional touch. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your CapCut and then just make a new project. And then just choose a blank canvas. You can go with a white or black background for a clean looks. And in this tutorial, I will use black background. I will just take it from library. This one. Like this. And then just adjust the durations as you like. Maybe like this. And then next, just add text. And then just type in the words or phrase that you want for your opening. This could be your channel name, a title, or anything that you like. Maybe like this. And then just adjust the fonts to match your styles. Like you can use a bold font for more cinematic. And then just choose the color that you want. Just keep it simple, like white text on the black background for the cinematic vibe. Like this. I will use bold font. Maybe like this. And then I will just use white color. Like this. And then just adjust the durations. Like this. And next, once you're happy with how it looks, just export the clips. These exported text clips will be the main element for the reveal. Just tap on export. And then just go back to your projects like this. And then just delete the original text. And then just import the exported text clips that you just made. Like this, and then make it as an overlay like this. Next, just add a keyframes at the start like this, and then just go to max. This one, and then I will choose mirror. This one, mirror. And then just adjust the filter. And then just position the mask so it's cover part of your text. I will make it like this. Like this. And then move forward in the timeline and add another keyframes. And drag the mask to slowly reveal more of the text like this. Maybe like this. And then add another keyframe just a little after the second one. Maybe in here. And then I will position the mask like this. Like this. And then move the timeline again. Maybe in here. And then just move the mask until the mask no longer covers any part of the text like this. Like this. And at this point, the text is fully revealed on screen. And then I will add a graph to make animations more smooth. So the final video will look like this. Like this. And okay, that's it. A quick and simple way to create a cinematic text reveal intro in CapCut. This trick works great for YouTube intros, reels, or even cinematic edits. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and